If you want to experience one of the last truly wild and open places on Earth, this is it. This is our Gobi Explorer tour in Mongolia, and it is a trail bike journey through vast, ever-changing landscapes from the Gobi Desert and the Flaming Cliffs through wide open steppe, rolling hills and up into the lake regions of northern Mongolia. We're riding lightweight trail and enduro bikes across a mix of dirt tracks, open terrain and some paved road sections as we cover serious ground across this huge country. What makes Mongolia so special though is the sheer scale of it all. I mean, this is the most sparsely populated country in the world, and here you feel it. You can ride for hundreds of kilometers with nothing but open landscape around you. No traffic, no crowds, just pure freedom. And you're not just passing through it, you're living it. We stay in traditional ger camps right in the middle of nowhere, experiencing a way of life that hasn't changed for generations. The riding is flowing and varied. This is a trail ride, not a technical enduro, so you'll want to be a confident rider with some off-road experience, but you don't need to be an advanced enduro rider. This is a guided motorcycle tour, and as always with ride expeditions, it's properly supported and near all-inclusive. We handle the bikes, routes, logistics, accommodation, meals, backup and medical support, delivering a premium experience, so all you need to do is show up and ride. So if you want space, freedom and a true sense of adventure in one of the world's last great frontiers, Mongolia is hard to beat, and this tour, the Gobi Explorer, is one hell of a way to experience it.